So, dito tayo ngayon sa Central Market. Dito po. Kaya tayo dito. Ito po yung Central Market talaga dati. Is wet market. So, ngayon ay nirenovate na po ito at ginawa na siyang parang pinapapasyalan. So, dito sa first floor, ang makikita natin is itong mga gifts tray, legacy, tapos yan. Supermarket. So, ito yung makikita natin dito. Toka-Loka Supermarket daw. Unmade. Unmade siya, guys. So, this is the first floor. Loka Market. Kaloka Market daw. Kaloka Market. Buti na lang hindi naman. That's the Kaloka Market. So, ito yung first floor. Kaloka Market. And some exhibitions para sa mga bata. Yeah. For drawing siguro. To make band. Some candies. Ito natin some candies is here from. And pastry. Coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
So, ito po yung Kaloka Market. Central Market. So, ito na ngayon siya. Before is wet market po ito. Tambakan ng mga paninda. Tindahan po talaga. Yung mga fishing vendor, vegetable vendor, fruits, everything is here at the wet market. Souvenirs. Yeah, you can buy here the souvenirs. Give way to trunks. And all over here is souvenirs. Oh, look at this. Meron sila. Souvenir siya. Someone playing the piano. And the second floor, ito na makikita. So, itong area nito is going to mid-levels. Going to mid-levels po. Central escalators. So, let's go sa Central escalators. Punta tayo doon, guys. So, mid-level po ito, Central escalators. So we're going up to the mid-level escalators. So, packet na packet po to. Ito yung pinaka-easy way dito kaysa maglakad ka dyan sa ibaba. So, pinaka-easy. So, kung ayaw mo namang gustong mag-stop doon, you can walk. And continue walking lang until sa makarating ka sa taas. So, dito sa Central kasi marami kang pwedeng puntahan. Tapos nandito na lahat. Yung mga restaurants, mga bilihan ng mga souvenirs. Tulad niya, nakikita natin dyan. Have to be careful lang. Tapos may pizza. Ayan. And if you are going to continue, just continue walking, going up. Tapos magpagbaba naman, lakad lang. So, pangatlong ano na to. At ito naman yung nasa baba, yung market. So, yan. Malayo na yung narating natin, guys. At nasa ano na po tayo, walking up to mid-levels. So, meron pang pangatlo. Yeah. So, dito sa outside na yan. So, me and my colleague always go to So, continue walking po tayo. Ngayon is Dr. Sun Yat-sen Museum. Yan, punta tayo doon. Dr. Yat-sen Museum daw. Continue walking. Go up. So, ito yung pangatlo sa going to mid-level. Right, so continue lang. Continue.
Curry?
Wow, so this is nice. Really nice. Wow. It's beautiful. So, nandito po tayong ulit sa Central. At dito po yung doon. Puntahan natin to. Wow. So, nakarating po tayo dito sa may Police Academy before. Side map. Yung prison yard. Tsaka yung parade ground. So, this is it. We are here. Wow! Akala ko nasa Paris ako o somewhere in London dahil nga sa architecture ng building na nakikita natin sa harapan. But anyway, isa po itong historic arts dito sa Tai Kwon at Heritage Center ng Hong Kong at formerly the Central Police Station compound. It features revitalized colonial era buildings and including the former Central Police Station, Central Magistracy, and Victoria Prison. And this now housing heritage exhibition, performing arts, venues, and contemporary art space. Reopened in 2018 after a major conservation project. And now it's vibrant cultural hub that blends the site-rich history with new cultural programming. The name Tai Kwon is the Chinese name for the compound, meaning is big station. So, napakaganda ng place na to dito lang sa ibabaw sa mid-level ng Central. At ito nga dating police headquarters dito at ipinakikita rin dito yung old history heritage.